This video is brought to you by Notion. Early in my career at Amazon, I led a major launch for my team, which shipped in late January. By the time performance reviews came around at the beginning of the next year, I had a new manager, and neither of us remembered that launch. The review happened, and I got meets expectations. It wasn't until well after the review process had completed that I remembered that I had shipped something significant the year prior. I probably had a real shot at exceeds expectations rating, which is a much bigger raise than I actually got, but my memory failed me. I didn't have anything written down. That was an expensive lesson. If you think that it would never happen to you, think again. Your memory is unreliable at the months and years time frame, and your work is scattered across Slack messages, meetings, docs, emails, and PRs. Your manager's memory isn't much better. Or you might be in the situation that I was in, where you have a new manager. And when review time comes, or worse, when you suddenly need to update your resume, you're doing archaeology instead of making your case. This is why you need a brag book. A brag book is a running document of your wins, your impact, and the things that you've shipped. It's not a to-do list or a work log. Think of it as a record of the stuff that actually matters for your career. It's just a one-pager per year type of thing. By the time you retire, you'll have 45 pages that represent the greatest hits of your career. Today, I'm going to show you how to build this fast, how to use AI to pull your wins in from the past year and structure them into something that you can actually use. And I'll show you how to do this even if your company has restrictions on what you can put into an LLM. Before we begin, here's something that most people don't think about, but it's super important. This document needs to live somewhere that you control and not your work laptop. Because if you get laid off or let go for any reason, you lose access to your machine immediately. I've seen engineers walk out of buildings with 10 years of career documentation locked up in a laptop they'll never touch again. Your brag book goes in your personal cloud. You can use Notion, like I'll show you in this video, but you can use any cloud provider on your personal account, whatever. Just not somewhere where your company can take away access to it. Your work achievements are yours, not your company's, so it's really important to protect yourself. Quick note before I show you this. I know a lot of you work at companies where you can't feed internal information into external LLMs or other storage. That's a real constraint, and you shouldn't violate your company's policies. But here's what you can do instead. If you have an approved internal LLM, you can run your notes through that first. Ask it to summarize all of your work, but strip out any of the project names, code names, customer names, and proprietary details. What you'll get back is a sanitized version that captures your contributions without that sensitive context. Then you can take that sanitized output and use it as input for your personal brag book. You keep the substance of what you did without all of the stuff that could get you into trouble. What I'm about to show you uses my own data in Notion. Now, I run my own business and I control all of it, but if you're in a corporate environment, just know there's a path for you too. Let me show you my setup. I've been using Notion as my meeting note taker for the past year, ever since they launched the feature. Every call, every one-on-one, every planning session gets transcribed and stored here. Notion Agent can also connect to Slack, GitHub, Google Drive, Linear, and many other tools. But today, I'm going to show you what it can do with just my meeting notes, because honestly, that's where most of your career context lives anyways. Here's what I'm going to ask it to do. I'm telling Notion Agent to review my meeting notes, exclude my client coaching sessions, and focus on finding achievements where I personally ship something, launch something, or hit a business goal. And I'm asking it to create a database with columns for date, achievement, impact, evidence, and skills. Watch what happens. See this? It's forming a plan. Search, read, decide, then create. This is what makes Notion Agent different from just asking an LLM to do this type of work. It's not going to give me a generic response. It's actually going to go through my data and build something. It's searching through my meeting notes now, finding discussions about revenue milestones, pulling in context from planning sessions, and looking for evidence of things that I shipped and launched. This would have taken me hours to do manually. Scrolling through 12 months of meetings, trying to remember what mattered, and Notion Agent is doing it in minutes. All right, let's see what it built. It created the 2025 brag book database with all of the columns that I asked for. Let me scroll through. Multiple six-figure revenue months, the podcast production system that I created, the hiring pipeline for operations and client success, multi-channel audience growth, book manuscript process, Substack newsletter growth. Let's look at the impact column. It's pulling in actual context from my meetings. And the evidence column links back to the original meeting notes where it found this information. This is the stuff that disappears from your memory. 6 months from now, I would not have remembered half of these details, but now they're captured, structured, and ready to use. Now, it's not perfect. When I first ran this, it actually picked up some achievements from my coaching clients because their wins were discussed in my meeting notes. The transcripts don't label who's speaking, so Notion Agent couldn't always tell whose achievement it was. This is why you should always review the output. AI gets you 95% of the way there in minutes. The last 5% is you scanning through and making sure it's accurate. Still way faster than doing it all by hand. So you have this database. Now what? Let me show you how to actually use it. You can use it for your performance reviews. I asked Notion Agent to take my brag book and write a summary of my top 5 achievements formatted for a self-assessment. Focus on impact and leadership, and look what it produced. It took each achievement, explained what I did, articulated the impact, and highlighted the leadership angle. This is exactly what you need for a performance review, and it created it as a full Notion page that I can edit and refine. You can also use it for resume updates. Same data, but a different format. I asked it to turn my top achievements into resume bullet points. Lead with action, emphasize measurable impact, and keep it crisp. These are ready to drop into a resume. Not that I'm looking for a job. No more staring at a blank page trying to remember what you did. You capture it once, and you can reuse it constantly. You can use this for reviews, resumes, promo docs, and even interview prep. The brag book becomes your source of truth for your career narrative. The brag book is the foundation, but once you have Notion Agent set up, here's what else you can easily do to further your career. You can create a weekly work log. You'll be able to run this every Friday automatically once the scheduling feature launches. But before then, you can summarize what you shipped this week based on your meeting notes and all of your connections to other platforms, and add it to your work log database for the fine-grained details of what you did in seconds. You can use it for one-on-one prep. Before your next one-on-one with your manager, have Notion Agent create a prep doc with your recent wins, any blockers you mentioned, and topics to discuss. There's no reason to show up unprepared. You can use it for peer feedback requests. When you need peer feedback for your review, let Notion Agent draft the request based on the actual work you did together. It knows the projects, and it can write something specific instead of generic. You can create a skills inventory. Ask Notion Agent to analyze your brag book and identify patterns. What skills show up repeatedly? What types of work do you do the most? And are there any gaps? It's like a career retrospective powered by your actual work. All of this works because Notion Agent has context. It's working with your data, your history, and your actual contributions. That's the difference. If you want to try all of this, the link is in the description below. You can set up your meeting notes, connect your tools, and build your own brag book in minutes. And if your company has restrictions on LLMs, remember what I said earlier. Use an approved internal tool to sanitize your notes first, then bring in the cleaned output into your personal system. But here's the thing, whether you use Notion Agent or piece this all together yourself, the principle is the same. Document your wins, put them somewhere you control, and do it consistently. Because your career is about doing great work, remembering it, and being able to prove it when it matters. Don't make the same mistake I made. I'll see you in the next one.